Alex, stop hitting Caleb. He does that to my hair all the time.
That's not a bottle. That's my hair.
Tell him he's bad.
You bad.
Alex, not you.
I need to dry my hair. Totally don't like Caleb because he pulls my hair.
Alex,
I don't like Caleb.
don't be mean to him.
I don't like Caleb.
Yeah, I know you don't because you're mean.
No, you're mean.
No, I'm not. I'm mommy. I'm supposed to be mean.